Are you tired of spending hours writing marketing copy that doesn't convert? Well, what if I told you that there's a simple solution that can save you time and boost your conversions? Introducing the Before-After Bridge Framework template in BrainPod AI Writer. Simply input your company or product name and a short description of your content. The examples are entirely optional and are used to refine your output further. You can create your content in multiple languages as well. Then click on the Generate AI Content button. And voila! BrainPod AI Writer generates compelling marketing copy that follows the Before-After Bridge framework in just seconds. If you ever get a result you do not like, you can use the Reclaim Token feature to reclaim your tokens and not be charged for that output. Try BrainPod AI Writer today and experience how easy and fast it is to use the Before-After Bridge framework template. Get started now and take your marketing content to the next level.